Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the AI text and voice generation toolkit. This video is specifically going to be covering how to use the generate audio clip editor window for Azure Speech. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is import the Azure Speech package into your Unity project, and then open up the plugins folder, text and voice generation toolkit, and then double click this Azure Speech right here, and it will import everything you guys need to have for Azure Speech. But then you guys are still going to need to set up your Azure Speech resource and get the API key. If you guys do not know how to do that, then I will have a link in the description for a video that shows you how to do that. So once you guys have all that done, you guys are going to need to open up the Azure Speech folder, then open up the config and go into Azure Speech default values. Make sure this region right here is the same region that you have for your resource. Now you're going to need to open up the editor window. So to do that, you need to go into the top of Unity and click Tools, Text and Voice Generation Toolkit, Azure Speech, Generate Audio Clip. And now this will open up this little editor window right here. Now I'm going to go and explain what all this stuff is. This right here is what you want the AI to say. The Generate Audio Clip will generate the audio clip. The Play Audio Clip will play the audio that was generated. And then the Save Audio will save the audio clip into the assets audio. Then it's going to create an audio folder and it'll save it right there. The name of file is the name that I want the file to be. The local name is the name of the AI in whatever language it is. Display name is the name of the AI in English. It shows everybody's name. And then name is it's the name of the person plus their region in front of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the name and choose someone that speaks English. Okay, let's go with this one right here. And then you need to tell it what you want it to say. So in this case, I'm going to say text and voice generation toolkit is really cool. And then you're going to need to click generate audio clip. And then it says audio clip has successfully been generated. And then you're going to need to click play audio.
Text and voice generation toolkit is really cool.
Now I'm going to save this to let's see, text and voice generation toolkit is cool. And then I'm going to click save audio right here. And it says done. Please open a new window and then minimize it to force Unity to reload. So I'm just going to open up my folders and then close it. And then it will reload and it will show the audio folder right here and the audio clip that you have generated. And now I'm going to have it say Bob, because why not? Generate audio clip, play.
Bob.
I'm going to say this as Bob. And then now I'm going to click save audio. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this right here and close this, and it'll show Bob. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was really helpful. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave it in the comments.